Welcome to StudyKwik. Today, we will calculate the time required to travel along the parallel of latitude 60 degrees between the meridians 10 degrees east and 30 degrees west at a ground speed of 480 knots. To find the distance along the parallel, we use the formula distance equals change in longitude times 60 times cosine of the latitude. Here, the change in longitude is 40 degrees. So, distance equals 40 times 60 times cosine 60 degrees. The cosine of 60 degrees is 0.5. Therefore, distance equals 40 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 0.5, which equals 1200 nautical miles. Finally, we calculate the time needed to fly this distance at 480 knots. Time equals distance divided by ground speed, which is 1200 divided by 480, giving 2.5 hours. That is 2 hours and 30 minutes.